The Right Knowledge of God by T.B. Joshua. Apostle Paul made it clear that faith works by love in Galatians 5 verse 6. It is only through love we are able to respond to God and to others at present. What a danger is a religion of words if there's no corresponding action. You have nothing but a mental assent without action. How does the love of God work or function in a man who only thinks or walks with empty, idle words? Yesterday man was his brother's keeper, but today, man is his brother's destroyer. When they see others giving testimony, that is when you remember how long they became a Christian attending church but never received such a testimony. Instead of rejoicing, it strikes their mind and you begin to rebel. If you don't have a purpose for being someone's friend, you'll soon be pointing to their weakness. But love does not discuss sin. Remember that our response to someone who makes a mistake can also be a mistake. So allow the right knowledge of God to settle peace. Say this prayer: Lord, give me love enough to overlook the mistakes of others. Amen.